Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add FAQ to Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that right here, what we can do is we can head over to a new tab and search in here for apps.shopify.com. Now, once we're in here, what we can do is we can click on this search bar right here and then search in here for FAQ. So we can actually just use an app right here in order to make us a frequently asked questions section. So in here, you can see in here Remaze live chat, help center AI FAQ page, and you can also see in here a lot of things that you can do. So for me, I'll think I will go with this FAQ King because this one is built for Shopify and they have a 5-star. So click on this FAQ King, and then from in there, click on this install button. And then once you have clicked on that, it will integrate itself with Shopify. But first, it will ask you if you want to install it successfully. So for now, click on the install button, and then this will load and install itself. So in here, you should be able to see that they will ask you for a plan that you want to use. But for me, I'll just choose a free plan first. So click on the select free. But if you want to subscribe, then it's up to you. So as you can see right here, it will show us a dashboard wherein we can manage or create our main FAQ. So click this manage FAQ page. Then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this right here. What we can do first is we can just head over and then search article by title or content. You can also make an FAQ for payment methods you accept. You can click on this right here to toggle this one, and once you click on this, you should be able to have the option to delete it. So for example, let's click on this edit right here in order to edit the answer for this specific question. So in here, this will load for a while. So just wait for this. So once you open this page right here, you can see that they have a preloaded answer to this question. So if you think that this answer is not appropriate to you, then you can actually just edit it out or just insert anything that you want for this. So let's head back. And then from in here, you should be able to see again the main questions that you can enable. You can also add another article right here. So click on this add article. And then in here, you can formulate your own question and you can formulate your own answer in here. So you can add an entirely question that is actually appropriate or acceptable to your brand also. And then in here, you can head back and you can also enable this orderly in delivery. So for example, let's enable 3 of this. So just choose which ones are applicable to you. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see that they also have all of these things right here that they also offer. Now in here, you can also add a new segment for this one if you want. So when you click on this, you can add in here a new section. So this section serves as a new section of, for example, that is actually entirely different to the return, shipping, and payment questions. So let's head back in here on our FAQ King dashboard. And then as you can see right here, this will load. And then you can see that you can also create your products FAQs, create your FAQ bubble, and you can also have some help to set up this application. So once you have head over and done all this, you should be able to see this specific application integrated on your actual website. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.